So we are currently driving in the snow and the ice. Hopefully we get some bangers. Hopefully my car will stop as well. I'm gonna try to drive down this fucking hill, but it's a big hill. I don't know how he broke down in his Tesla. That is so peak. I hope I don't break down. I hope that's not me in 10 minutes. Oh. Oh, fuck me. You fucking spun out there. Oh, am I gonna make it back safe? Who knows? Find out after the break. We just went sideways. This is beaky. Why has he put his hazards on? There's a broken down car. This is not looking good, bruv. Ah, rear wheel drive, boy. That's what happens. I'm cruising in my all wheel drive. He fucked it. Lovely hill climb in the all wheel drive Golf R. Haldex doing bits. I'm gonna take a left at the roundabout, hopefully not spin out. I kind of want to spin a little bit and have some fun, but I'm shook. Yeah. Snow's falling from the trees. The trees look dank. Grip and go, grip and go. Is he stuck? He might be stuck. I think the bus is stuck. He's holding it. What's going on here? Oh, I'm sliding. Yeah, my brakes are not on job. That's another Golf R in front. He's got the right idea. Oh, so we got a car stuck here. They need all-wheel drive. Is that another BMW? Wait, it's another BMW. The BMWs are holding it today. We've got another car with hazards on. What is he doing? Oh, look who it is. BMW number 10. Right, so we want to shoot in here without getting kicked out quickly. Did I just curb my wheel? I need to clean the car quickly as well. Wipe all that shit off. Oh my god, that sounds horrible. Take that off, don't need that. I'm just scraping the carbon off. Oh, that is fully ice, I'm not scraping that. It looks kind of fucked. It's got so much snow on the top. It's now time to get the bangers. The car kind of looks fucked though. This is not how I pictured it to be. I need to clean it all. The front just looks mashed. I'll get the zoomy shot. I think that slaps the most, you know. That might bang with an edit on it. Now to make it back safely. I still don't really know where the curb is, but we're going to full send it and hopefully I don't bottom out. I think we're good. I don't know how we should climb this alright. Wait, this car is brilliant in the snow. Oh, I may have spoke too soon. Nah, this is brilliant. I'm going to attach the photos that I just took to the video somehow, so then you can see what the photos came out like. To be fair, the car Would have looked better if there was like completely no snow on it, I think. But it just looks a bit of a mess with bits of snow, but it's fine. Full beams. There you go. Oh, we're sliding. Fucking hell. It just wants to go to the left. I don't know why. BMW course. Wait, this is easy. Oh, we're fucking sliding. Sliding. We're good. Park it where it was. Lovely. Successful trip, no crashes, we're active. Lovely. Peace out everyone. Like, comment, subscribe.